5 Best-Selling Toddler Outdoor Playset by Costzon. 1. Baby Joy 3-in-1 Slide for Kids, Toddler Large Play Climber Slide Playset with extra long slipping slope. Would you like your children to have a space in your home where they can play and develop their sense of adventure? The 4-in-1 Kids Slide from Costzon is the ideal choice for your children ages 2 to 8, as it will accompany their youth. This slide would be well liked among children of this age group because of its adorable cartoon shape, drawing many of them to play. The extra-long slide increases the cushioning force used for sliding, keeping the child from slipping out and hurting themselves. Children experience sports like scooping up balls and jumping while using a basketball hoop, which causes them to grow taller. Baby Joy 3-in-1 Slide for Kids features a climbing ladder, slide, basketball hoop, and ring throw are all included in the 4-in-1 multifunctional slide. Children are given a safe and easy task when climbing stairs. Children can easily grab the wide armrest design. Long slides offer a relaxing sliding experience. HDPE material that is stable and long-lasting, non-toxic, and ASTM certified is used. Kids find it simpler to climb the ladder because of its non-slip surface. Children can move around freely on roomy slides. Stable triangular design to guarantee safety. The slide surface is smooth and free of burrs, so the child won't get hurt using it. It takes little time and effort to assemble and clean. Suitable for kids between the ages of 2 and 8. 2. 4-in-1 Toddler Climber and Swing Set, Kids Play Climber Slide Playset with Basketball Hoop. Smooth slide, safe swing, basketball hoop, and climbing ladder are just a few of the 4 features of Costzon's adorable and colorful 4-in-1 playing set, which can be used both indoors and outdoors. It is the ideal present for kids because it helps kids improve their hand-eye coordination and balance. This 4-in-1 playing set is non-toxic and strong because it is made of ecologically safe PE material. Additionally, it has obtained ASTM certification to guarantee children's safety. To strengthen stability and reduce spilling and shaking, the delicate butterfly base can be weighted down with sand or water. The kid won't get wounded when running out of the slide thanks to the wider buffer zone's increased cushioning force. The expanded seat can support 110 pounds and has a T-shaped forward-leaning protection and safety belt design. Additionally, the fully open ladder provides enough room for the children's feet to climb. This playset comes with a miniature basketball. The basketball hoop can be used by your kids to practice shooting, ball picking, running, jumping, and other sports, which can improve their physical and motor skills. Additionally, it is simple to remove when not in use. The ladder has letter patterns on it to stop toddlers from slipping. Additionally, Costzon's set is free of burrs to safeguard your child's tender skin and prevent injuries while they play. Following the instructions, you can put it together quickly and easily. 3. Costzon 4-in-1 Toddler Slide Rocking Toy, Portable Kids Rocking Horse Slide Toy. Your child may play in a variety of ways with this 4-in-1 rocking horse. The smooth slide and rocking horse combination improves your child's ability to maintain balance, while also allowing them to experience the thrill of sliding. The detachable chair provides a cozy place to sit. Additional enjoyment is provided by the basketball hoop with included ball and the ring game with 4 ferrules. With a maximum load-bearing capacity of 110 pounds. It is made of quality PE material and offers the highest protection while being non-toxic and durable. The ideal gift for your lovely young one to have a carefree life will be this high-quality child rocking horse. Costzon 4-in-1 Rocking Horse features, uses a safe rocking horse to develop balance for best protection, use a smooth slide with a buffer region. Thanks to its removable basketball hoop and bonus ball, kids' vivacious personality is released. With the ring game, children can practice their hand-foot coordination. The detachable chair provides comfortable seating. It has ASTM and CPSIA certification for safer use and provides the greatest protection with premium and odorless PE material. A ladder with an ergonomic shape is simpler for kids to climb. Holds up to 110 pounds and is suitable for children ages 2 to 8. The absence of burrs on the smooth surface protects the children from harm. It takes little time and effort to assemble and clean. 4. Costzon 6-in-1 Toddler Slide and Swing Set, Kids Climber Slide Play Set with Basketball Hoop. Costzon 6-in-1 Toddler Slide and Swing Set has 6 features that are appropriate for use at home, including a smooth slide, climbing ladder, durable swing, movable basketball stand, football gate, and golf hole variations. Each activity component is sized for children and toddlers. The varied demands of your children are amply met by the 6-in-1 Kids Climber Slide Play Set. This kids slide and swing set is made of high-quality HDPE and PP materials, ensuring your children's safety while using it. Injecting sand or water into the broad base will increase overall stability, and stable construction adds even more safety. The anti-slip steps and smooth glide guarantee a secure landing. Additionally, the adjustable swing may grow with your children as they go, with a T-shaped safety protection leaning forward. Costzon 6-in-1 Toddler Slide and Swing Set features. Children's balance and hand-eye coordination skills are improved with a 6-in-1 toy set. HDPE and PP materials carefully chosen for long-term use. Basketball hoop, football goal, and golf hole are 3-ball games. 3 activity zones for a long slide that slides smoothly and lands safely. Your youngsters can grow with an adjustable swing and basketball rack. Steps with anti-slip surfaces for easy and secure climbing. Your baby's safety is ensured by the safety harness and T-shaped guards, and the water injection base provides sturdy stability. Detailed instructions make it simple to construct. 5. Baby Joy Slide for Kids, 4-in-1 Folding Toddler Large Climber Slide with Extra Long Slipping Slope. Do you wish to provide an area where your children can play and develop an adventurous spirit? Our Kids Slide is the ideal solution for your children aged 1 to 6 years old, accompanying their youth, with a maximum load-bearing capability of 110 pounds. This slide would be well liked among children of this age group because of its adorable cartoon shape, drawing many of them to play. The extra-long slide increases the cushioning force used for sliding, keeping the infant from slipping out and hurting themselves. Our Kids Slide is a multipurpose slide set that includes a basketball hoop, telescope, ring throw, steering wheel, and other features. Additionally, this children's slide set is a fantastic tool for developing kids' physical skills and piquing their interest in sports, serving as both a toy and a great physical activity. Costzon Baby Joy Slide for Kids features. The 4-in-1 multipurpose slide has a climbing ladder, slide, basketball hoop, and ring toss. Children can easily grab the wide armrest design. ASTM-certified high-quality PE material that is odorless and non-toxic. Round edges and a smooth surface guard against scrapes and injuries. Children can climb more safely and easily thanks to the closed climb stairs with non-slip texture. Stable triangular design for application that is safe. Design that folds for simple storage. A wonderful present for children to play both indoors and outside. Simple to put up and maintain.